still many islands in the Caribbean, and today we're going to a lesser known one. Today is Dominica, on worldly treats with no meats. Dominica is a small island country located in western Caribbean Sea. It is located south of Guadeloupe and north of Martinique, both French territories. It is a rather small island at only 750 square kilometers, where 73,000 people live. Dominica was originally inhabited by the Calanango peoples. Columbus discovered the island, naming it after the Latin word for Sunday, but Spanish colonization was unsuccessful against the local population. Centuries later, France decided to claim the island and its neighbors before actually making any physical presence on the island. It was originally set aside as an indigenous land for the Caribs, but loggers soon moved in and France built a permanent settlement. During the 7 Years' War, France lost the island to a British invasion. When slavery was abolished, the legislature was at one point run by former African slaves. After both World Wars, Dominica and 9 other present-day nations joined to form the West Indies Federation, which did not last long. Soon after, in 1978, the island had reached independence. Today, English is still the official language, and the city of Roseau is its capital. Most of the population is of African descent. Compared to other islands of the Caribbean, Dominica has few beaches and does not attract as many tourists. Instead, it is a volcanic land filled with rainforests and hot springs. The Cicero parrot on the national flag marks one of the only 2 nations to have a purple on their flag. For this you will need 1 cup of butter, 1 1/4 cups packed brown sugar, 3 eggs, 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 1/2 mashed ripe bananas, 1 small ripe mango, 1 cup of golden raisins, half a cup of chopped walnuts. In a bowl, cream the butter with sugar until fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time until incorporated. In another bowl, combine flour with salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Combine mashed bananas with mango puree. Mix the dry ingredients and the banana mixture alternately into the creamed mixture until batter is just combined. Fold in raisins and nuts. Pour batter into 2 greased 8.5 by 4.5 inch loaf pans. Bake at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. Leave in a pan for 10 minutes, remove from loaf pans, and let cool on racks.
It's good. Never had mango cake before. It's nice and moist and a bit of with the raisins and crunch. The raisins and nuts make a really good crunch. Very good.